Looking for a unique and extravagant safari experience? Look no further than Tanzania. Hi, I'm Tamara, an East Africa Safari Guides representative. We are a luxury safari company based in Tanzania, offering highly specialized tours that will leave you speechless. Our 10 years of expertise in organizing safari tours in Tanzania guarantees that you will have a lifetime experience. By traveling with us, you'll have a chance to witness the incredible wildebeest migration at Serengeti National Park, bask in the tropical paradise of Zanzibar, and conquer the summit of a freestanding mountain on Earth, the Kilimanjaro. You deserve the true meaning of opulence with East Africa Safari Guides. Our exceptional selected safari hotels exceed all expectations with their lavish amenities and impeccable services. Whether it's a romantic getaway or a family excursion, our hand-picked selection of high-end lodges and camps will provide you with an unforgettable experience of African wildlife. Immerse yourself in the breathtaking sights and sounds of nature while enjoying unique activities like our walking safari, balloon safari, and Maasai village visiting. Savor exquisite bush lunch and sundowners while rejuvenating in the majestic scenery of the African wilderness. Tanzania is waiting for you to discover its hidden gems, and we'll take you here in style. The dry season from June to October and December to mid-March is the perfect time to visit. Due to the limited availability, we recommend booking your tour 6 months in advance to ensure you get the accommodation of your choice. So it's better to start planning your safari today. Get a free quote by emailing us or visit our website for more information.